हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि हम ट्रेडिंग व्यू पर कैसे हम स्टॉक को लाइव चेक कर सकते हैं, उसको कैसे एनालिटिक्स कर सकते हैं। ये तमाम चीज़ें हम आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। टुडे वी टॉक अबाउट द TradingView applications, that how TradingView application basically works, and we calculate the all stocks work in the market summary. So let's see in the screen and check the analytics about the TradingView applications. So you can see I open a website which name is tradingview.com. TradingView basically is a livestock application where you can see all type of stocks in analytics and live options, where you can sell and buy all the circumstances about the markets related, about stocks, ELTS, crypto, forex trading, futures trading, bonds, all the activities you can see on this platform. So this is platform is basically about the TradingView applications, all about the analytics, about the cryptocurrencies, about the stocks, about the ELFs trading, future tradings, forex trading, and bonds. So you can see, so this is the TradingView application, and this is the interface basically above the TradingView applications. You can see all the stocks and the live maps of their trading, top stories, US stocks, trade ideas. So they provides all about the accurate knowledge to you about the TradingView app, about the applications. So you can see these are the livestock histories you can see on the TradingView applications. So these are the maps of the about the Nvidia, about the Mara and Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia Corporation, Saudi Arabian Oil. Alphabets include google.com, amazon.com. So these are the stocks about the companies related, that which companies basically works at this time and how types they deposit and withdraw stocks on which market trends. So basically we talk about that how market basically works and market trend related. So you can see, so you can see, if I talk about this is the basically trading applications. I want to search about the forex trading, forex stocks. So these are the forex stocks. In the search options you can see, when I click on the forex, so you can see all about the forex trading. So basically what is forex trading? Forex trading basically is about in trading in currency pairs. So you can see when I click on the forex trading, you can see all the currency pairs in the market trend. So this is the analytics of the market trends about the forex trading. Like you can see euro to USD. If you want to talk about currency pairs, so euro to USD is a powerful currency pairs in the world. So the next one is USDT to JPY, basically Japanese currencies. So the next one is GBP pound to USD dollar. So these are the top and hot pairs in forex trading. If we talk about the next one, so we talk about the next currency pairs. These are the hot pairs in future in forex trading. So this is the next pair is USDT dollars and Canadian dollar. So these pairs basically forex trading only work on currency pairs. So you can trade in currency pairs. You can purchase and you can USDT to Canadian dollar, USDT to Sheffield dollar, USDT to orange dollars. So this is the Australian dollars. So the currency pairs are basically trade each other currency pairs. So these are the currency pairs. You can see all currency pairs. If I talk about the all currency pairs, so these are the all currency pairs and their rates. So all currency pairs, major, minor, exotic, European, Asian and other currency pairs are available on this page and alphabetic to see the complete currency pairs. So basically TradingView applications provide all the currency pairs and they trade live on these platforms. So this is the UAED. So basically Dubai and Australian dollars, UAE dirham and Australian dollar 0.43. So basically these are the currency pairs, Australian dollars and Canadian dollars, and you can see these are the all currency pairs. If we talk about the first currency pairs, when I click on this, so we check the analytics and about the Australian dollars and Dubai dirham. So this is the map, this is the chart. So when I click on, so if we talk about the charts, about when I click on candles, I want to click on candles, symbol widgets, we see the all close the candle and I click on again Dubai and Australian dollar. So this is the live map and chart about the Australian dollars and the Canadian dollars. So this is the widgets, all the markets on the TradingView application. So basically this is the forex trading. You understand that how basically what is forex trading and how forex trading basically works on in this world. So I hope you understand that about the forex trading. So let's see in the next video, and we talk about the next topic about the trading applications. So let's see in the next video. So take care of you. Thank you.